fire smoke when it's down.
Oh, good.
Should I go get the fire extinguisher?
That'd be funny. That would be funny. You're standing here.
Tell you what, that's got some positive incidents.
I'd say.
Although it's up on that bar.
He's always looking at the positive side.
Bringing me back. I'm ready to fly.
I keep seeing that there in the rack, and I keep thinking, that was fun.
You have everything to make
Gary had one and was holding out on me.
Watch yourselves in the front, guys.
Yeah, step back.
Got it? Yeah. Fly with one.
I told you, see, I tried to tell you that it was just there for decoration.
You go and plug that one in.
Yeah.
Did your old one do that too?
That was classic.
I'm in trouble.
That was awesome.
I'm in trouble.
He does it.
I had it out of there so fast.
That's the business.
Wow.
You're gonna put two of those on there.
Yeah, it's got more than enough oomph.
Yeah, I don't need the. Yeah, I probably won't go to full throttle.
You think?
I think Bob will. I know Varley would.
Well,
Well, eventually sometime I will.
That's what full throttle is
Watch,
for.
okay.
Step back.
Hold that table down. Nothing's bouncing around. It looks good.
All right.
Grab a wing.
Wait a second now. Before you go up, I want you to
The
do.
black spot right there is the CG.
So that's about right.
Yeah, just don't grab the wing. Let's just go inside and.
Right there.
Yeah, right.
Spot on, Bob.
Okay.
Shoot, now you can't blame the airplane.
Just grab it, lift it up by that, and just pull straight back. All urine.
No control surface, Chuck.
Oh yeah, we're gonna do that.
Clap on the right, okay?
Yeah. Yep. Up. Up. I think so, Bob.
Because you got all that pump.
Yeah. Okay. Right. Yep. Left. Right rudder. Left rudder. Oh wait, let's check the nose gear steering. It's right. Left. Yep.
I got more left than right.
Alrighty.
Here, that's why they have props.
What's that pod thing on the horizontal?
That's a servo cover. Just remember.
Oh, okay.
Just remember, this is like hockey. No, because you had to hold it back. Yeah, I gotta figure out what to do about it.
It's in one piece, then no major.
Yeah, it's brand new in the box.
You got a hell of a lot of them.
Down elevator.
Congratulations, Bob.
Thank you. Go adjust the elevator now. So you know where you were holding it at.
Table, weren't you?
Oh, okay.
Motors are still hot.
No, we pulled the pins.
Oh, okay.
Oh yeah, that's the first thing I did.
So you're having, from looking at it, you're holding about this much.
Yeah, but look at look at the thing. That's with all the up trim.
That wasn't enough.
No, take all the trim out.
Yeah.
In other words, we were down elevator.
Yeah. Four. Yeah, you start out down.
Bob, you need to come up where it's almost level at the top.
Yep.
Three. Come up minimum of right there.
Well, no, that, yeah, but you need to go more because he had to hold up elevator when it was flying level.
Back neutral.